or the more metal washers you add, the more slower it can get over time.
Slower it gets? Hold on, do we measure the speed? What do we measure?
I feel like it's kind of random.
Well, our independent variable was the mass. What was our dependent variable?
Force.
Our force. And what did we find about the forces?
The more you added, there was like a little bit less force because it started slowing.
But for
Because
me,
there was
Hold
more
on,
weight.
show me your data. This is your data right here.
We're
right?
not a part of speed.
yeah, I feel like it went up and then it started to go down. So if we kept adding more, maybe it would slow more.
All right, but in general,
More weight.
the lighter that you had looks like this is kind of like these are the light two ones, the medium and the light, right? Looks like these had the least forces, right? These are the heaviest two. Looks like these had the biggest forces. Does that make sense?
So the heavier, the more force it gets.
Yeah, it seems like it, right? I mean, think about it. Like if you were at the supermarket and you got hit by like a shopping cart,
Yeah.
what would push you more, an empty shopping cart or a full shopping cart?
Well,
Yeah, so that kind of makes sense, right?
yeah.
Because that would have a lot more mass. What did we figure out? The faster it went, right? Because you guys tested speed here. So the faster it went, what'd you notice about the forces?
It was more force.
The more of a collision. Hold on, but what about the forces itself? Didn't we measure the forces in each one?
Yeah.
Can I see your data tables?
Kept on getting higher and higher.
With more speeds? So the slowest one here, all right, kind of looks like the slowest two here, all kind of had kind of low forces, right? And the high speed one looks like it had really big forces, right? That makes sense, right? Like, all right, stop with this. Listen, if I got hit by like a ball that somebody tossed me slowly,
Black eye.
it might hurt a little bit. But if somebody threw a ball really fast at me,
Then
it
yes.
could really hurt, right? So that makes sense that more speed would have more force, right? Cool. Make sure that's in your progress track, okay?